How to fix laptop hang problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first go to your start menu and then search for control panel. Run your control panel. Then go to programs and then go to uninstall a program. Now simply uninstall all the bulky programs and the ones that you do not use. After that, your space will be freed and then you will not have any issues regarding storage which will make your lag your fix. Next, what you will have to do is go to settings again. Sorry, start menu again. Now go to settings. After that, simply search for troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot settings and then go to other troubleshooters, and after that run a troubleshoot in your Windows update. Make sure you have the latest version of Windows and which is also compatible with your system. And after doing that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.